You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So in this lab, we'll be taking snapshots of all the machines that we created until this point. So first, I'm going to shut down my workstation 02. It's just because I just restarted the machine. It's okay. I can shut it down. Not a problem. Now, once it is shut down, I right click on the virtual machine, click on snapshot and say take snapshot. This snapshot will be named lab 82. So this way, if anything goes wrong, I can always go back to lab 82 snapshot and have everything working for me. So now moving to the next machine, that is my exchange 02. I'm going to close my server manager. I'm going to click on start, click on power and shut down, click on continue. I'm going to be shutting these machines down in this method. I don't want to forcefully shut them down or forcefully do anything because that always risks corruption of the VM virtual machine disk because something else is going on in the background and you're trying to forcefully shut it down, and it can create a new nuisance value for me personally. Right click on the machine, snapshot, take snapshot, lab 82. Okay, so now I have a snapshot for this. Now, let me explain what I was talking about here. So for example, on this one, I can just click on these settings here and just say power off. It is faster. It is no doubt faster, but it also carries the risk of making my machine completely inoperable sometimes. And that is how you take snapshots, and that is the end of this lab here. We just took snapshots of all the machines so that we have a waypoint to go back to in case the next few installations or the next few steps collapse or something goes wrong. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.